Calgary, Rocky Mountain skyline, prairie energy. And you're stuck waiting for a bus to show up. Rigid group tours. 15 rushed minutes at Calgary Tower. A quick photo on Stephen Avenue, then straight back to the group. Uvamai's Calgary self-guided audio tour gives you 14 of the city's most iconic stops, with expert narration revealing the history and stories behind every landmark. For just $6, get your private access link, a professional audio guide, and an interactive map delivered straight to your inbox. No group, no rushing, no fixed schedule. Stand beneath the Calgary Tower and hear the story behind its glass floor. Wander Stephen Avenue's historic sandstone blocks. Cross the striking Peace Bridge and follow the Bow River pathways. Relax in Prince's Island Park. 14 landmarks. Your pace, your Calgary. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Calgary, not just photograph it. Explore Calgary at your own pace. Get your access link for just $6 only at uvamai.com.